Hello guys, and welcome back to Online Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x87e00031, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to actually do is you want to sign out of your Xbox account, and you can do that by clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to Profile on System, scrolling down until you see Sign Out. Once you do that, you should be good to go and you can sign back in, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to Settings, you're going to go to Accounts, and you're going to go to Remove Accounts. It's similar to the first step. You're just going to remove your account and then you're going to add it back, and you can check to see if that also fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is heading over to Network Settings. You're going to go to Test Network Connection and just make sure everything's working fine, and then you're going to go to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, what you're basically going to do is you're going to click on primary and secondary DNS. You're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now once you do that, you should be all good to go, and that's it for the video. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.